Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 26 2024 and the time is roughly around 8:30 and clearly mentioned that today it's going to be a sideways move in Nifty because of certain calculation. Exactly nothing happened and we tried twice based on the timing, but our stop loss of 12 points got hinted in option, but the phenomenal move happened in Chambal. What a move today of 20%. Not only Chambal, everything rocked. All the fertilizers companies, chemical companies were literally rocking. And today I will teach you one simple strategy on how to catch all these momentum. I used to do this in my introduction webinar for my people. I will show you today very simple. See, you don't need big GAN course and all to make money. Simple GAN methods will give you wonders, will do wonders actually. What you need to understand is, after understanding the time element, then add the price element, then the pattern. Once the pattern is confirmed, you can go with it. Okay, you can go with it. That is what you need to you need to know, and how to be with the trend without any emotion is what needed. Many people doesn't teach this. They'll only say, time cycle is there, time cycle is there, but how to be with the trend without any emotion is the $1 billion question when it comes to market. Anybody can find time cycle. Anybody can find time cycle. People, those who don't know anything about the market also, they can also come with the time cycle. But how to be with the trend without any emotion is the biggest question to capture these kind of big move in the market. So now let's go and see that. First we will go to Chambal. So we clearly mentioned that 14th is a very big date for Chambal, and the high is 437, low is 426. Buy above 437, stop loss 426, and be with the trade. This is the master date for Chambal, and this date high and low is valid for an year. This date high and low is valid for an year. Okay. So now this is first thing, which is a very advanced time cycle which I teach in my course. But if I go to the simple, thing, this is very simple. Simply take the recent high and connect with the recent low. For example, if I do that, I go to cyclic line, connect this high and connect this low. So I mark the high and I mark the low, and if you take the difference between these two, it is 237 bars. 237 bars. So it says that every 237 bars from here there will be a trend change. Nothing but history repeats itself. History repeats itself. So now if I go and check that 237 bar, if I go and put that here, so I got the exact this date, which is the 227 bar. So now how to trade this? Very simple. Mark the high and mark the low. That's all. So now what happened? None of the candle closed below. It closed above. It gave a retracement. Take a entry. Stop loss is roughly around 30 rupees from here, and the market went up. Exactly, this was the fourth low where the market fell very badly, 13%, and it exactly touched that low of that candle, which is 334, and from there the move started. And obviously this is the mega day, which is 14th June, because I tell my guys that if you go to Chambal, one second, tomorrow Chambal big day. Tomorrow Chambal big day because of this massive date. This is the massive date. So now after this, you got a phenomenal move. In Chambal yesterday we bought with 6 rupees stop loss, and today it has rewarded us. So even if you do this, you can simply, after predicting the time, you can simply use your trend line method. Whatever method you want to use, you can use, or you can use, even if you want this one trend line or whatever, rounding pattern you can do whatever you want to use, but this is the time element. This is the time element which will have a say, and this is the miracle date for Chambal, and it has given a phenomenal move. So now this is in daily. So now let's go to 5 minutes. So once you understood the time element, now we need to enter and to stay with the market. So now if you go here and if you click my fortune signals, in 5 minutes it has given a buy. And why Chambal was in our radar? Why Chambal was in our radar? Always understand this. So now this is the number system. See, once you understood the time element, we need to understand the price element. The price element is here. Why price element? Why this stock today, this month? Because whenever the difference between these two number is narrow, it will come in our radar to trade. It will come in our radar to trade. So that is why we normally say that the stocks to be concentrated from the top. This is the sixth stock which we need to concentrate. This is the sixth stock which we need to concentrate based on time, based on price, and based on other method. If you go here, Chambal, it is having 26 combination for this month. 26 combination for the month. So, Chambal based on the time element, based on the mega time element, and based on the price, where the difference is between only 1 rupee, and it will give you phenomenal move in that particular counter. All these we can identify 1 month before, and for July month we already have a stock to trade. July month we already have a stock to trade, and we already identified 11 bullish counters. In the 2 bullish counters are going to give a phenomenal move based on the seasonality. So now once you understood this, simply go to fortune signals. It has given a G by year. It has given a G by year on 5th June. On 5th June, and it went and touched that number. Rejected, came down, took the support here at the blue, again went up. Then once the number crossed, there is no looking back in 5 minutes time frame. So there is no G cell here. Only on the G cell you need to exit. But there is no G cell here, and it has given you phenomenal move. And yesterday, we took the position yesterday somewhere here, and it has given a massive move today. So the number has to converge to the core. The time has to come. Once the time comes, it gives explosion. Even in 1 minute time frame, or if you go to 1 day time frame, this is the 1 day time frame. So last time, if you go here, it gave a buy here at 280, and it went up, came down, touched the blue here where you need to buy, and this is, we call it as a Sangamam. When all the three combines together, the move will start, and it started again. It gave a magical candle, and today it went like a rocket. And even in 1 minute time frame, if you take positional 1 minute time frame, okay, so the buy came here at 430, and after that there is no, even if you see this candle, the red color candle, none of the candle closed below. None of the candle closed below in 1 minute time frame. And again it went up, all that happened. And again today, if you go here, this one, there is no sell here, and this was the sell. G cell came here, but again none of the candle closed below this. So what you need to do, once any candle closes above, take the retracement, stop loss below this candle. So if you take the stop loss, it is roughly around 1.5 rupees. For 1.5 rupees, it has given you roughly around 60 rupees. This is where we entered yesterday. By putting a stop loss of 6 rupees, by taking some other consideration, and today it has rewarded us like anything. So buy above this candle, stop loss below this candle, and enjoy the profit, because this is a fake sell. Any candle doesn't close below this candle low, it is called fake sell. It is nothing but the trap will happen from here, and you got a phenomenal move today, and it went like a rocket after that. It went like a rocket after that. In 1 minute time frame, no sell after that. So this is how you need to capture the momentum. I can show 10,000 stocks like this. Anyway, not a problem. Let's go to tomorrow PPT. Okay, so again, you know that it's a combination date 20 and 21, and today we got an inside bar pattern. Today we got an inside bar pattern in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is looking little okay, but Nifty is literally struggling. So tomorrow again is a solar date, which is people call it as a Gann date. So use it wisely. First 15 minutes high and low will do the magic in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And again, Nifty is not able to cross this number. Bank Nifty is doing extremely well. And today our pick was Aarti Industries. What a move today in Aarti Industries, and Chembal as well as VEDL. Okay, so inside bar pattern, use it wisely in the index. And coming to the numbers, nothing to worry about it. And let's see whether Nifty is going to touch this level tomorrow. And again, break below this, there will be a pain. So let's watch, maybe break below this, it may even come and try to touch this number. Okay, and Bank Nifty, nothing to worry about it. And as I already told you that we are waiting to see another this target for tomorrow, which is the last target for tomorrow. And as I already told you that I am holding one stock, big quantity for 21st, and today also it closed exactly at my price. So there was no loss, but I don't want to exit that stock. I want to give one more day tomorrow. Let's see if it gives money, then it's a good money. Otherwise, no problem. I'll lose roughly around 75,000 to 1 lakh. That's not a problem, because last year the same time, same price action, same time cycle gave roughly around 38 lakhs profit with a stop loss of 2 lakhs. Let's see, fingers crossed for tomorrow for that particular counter. Let's see what it's going to do tomorrow. Okay, thanks a lot. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Don't think about very big about Gann course, advanced course and all. Simple time cycle will do wonders. You need to know how to be with the trend to capture the time cycle. That is what you need to practice more and more, and that is what for that you need mind management, and that is what we do in our mind management technique. More than 3-4 sessions in a month, where you can manage without any emotion, and you can sit with the stock to capture that momentum. Today I exited 2 lots when it tested I think 540, holding only 1 lot for tomorrow. Let's see what it's going to do tomorrow. Okay, see you, bye.